Welcome back to Airstream Wheeler. Please like, subscribe, and click that bell notification. Today we're going to talk about how and why we repaired Dreamboat's chop out the giant hole in his body the way we did.
I have a 1992 Airstream that we salvaged this aluminum from to make the exterior patch. We salvaged the ribs from the door that had been made for this. We found a sticker in the door frame that suggests this was modified for handicap access. The handicap door was made from Dreamboat's original wall pieces. So there's a channel that sits on the floor, vertical ribs and horizontal ribs. The addition that I've made is adding angle brackets that tie in to the sides. This door here had locks that held it on in several places around, and there was silicone gobbed onto the whole seam and those locks when we got it. We have plans to replace the floor. This floor is a good example of how not to patch an Airstream floor. This is just a pine board, and you can see that it's dry rotting and splitting. The boards end at the wall, and they don't go under the wall. The structure of an Airstream wall relies on the wall sitting on the floor and everything being bolted together. In fact, you can see a bolt hole here with daylight and an air gap where the wall is not supported. For us, step one was to get this wall to stop leaking and to get the corrosive silicone off of it. And then step two is going to be to replace this. I recognize that this is not a factory repair. It would be cost prohibitive to have this done by an Airstream dealer with the correct parts. They would have to fabricate a bunch of stuff. Some of the parts are simply not available. Before I put the interior wall on, I'm probably going to add some more structural connection to the inside rib frame. But at this point, I have to do what I can do as time and money allow.